Now, the U.S. Attorney General Jeff Sessions today has testified before a congressional committee in connection to the Russian interference in the investigations of the presidential campaign of 2016. Sessions had earlier recused himself from the Russian investigations after reports emerged that he had several conversations with the Russian ambassador during campaigning. While testifying, Sessions could not recall much when asked about the possible Russian influence in the Trump campaign. However, some court records have emerged that Jeff Sessions in fact led a meeting with a campaign aide and had discussed the possible Russian ties in the presidential campaign of 2016. Now, according to records which are available, the aide, who's been identified as George Papadopoulos, even suggested setting up a meeting between Donald Trump and Russian President Vladimir Putin during the presidential campaign. Now, George Papadopoulos is already facing an indictment in the ongoing probe in the issue.
To address recent news reports regarding meetings during the campaign attended by George Papadopoulos and Carter Page, among others. Frankly, I had no recollection of this meeting until I saw these news reports. I do now recall that the March 2016 meeting at the Trump Hotel that Mr. Papadopoulos attended, but I have no clear recollection of the details of what he said at that meeting. After reading his account and to the best of my recollection, I believe that I wanted to make clear to him that he was not authorized to represent the campaign with the Russian government or any other foreign government for that matter. But I did not recall this event, which occurred 18 months before my testimony of a few weeks ago. And I would gladly have reported it had I remembered it, because I pushed back against his suggestion that I thought may have been improper.